As students are back at school and many Americans are back at the office, COVID-19 cases are on the rise again. But even after we've lived with the virus for 3.5 years, the politics of COVID are still very divisive.
And so here I sit without a vaccine, and I won't wear a mask because they don't work either.
From masking to vaccinations, lawmakers in Congress disagree on how best to protect Americans from COVID-19. Republican Senator J.D. Vance says the country shouldn't go back to mask mandates, and he's pushing a bill to ban the reimposition of mask requirements on planes, public transit, and schools.
I got things wrong about COVID, I'm sure most people did, but we have to learn from those mistakes and not repeat them in 2023. Mask mandates were a bad idea.
Democratic Senator Tim Kaine says he expects the Senate Health, Education, Labor, and Pensions Committee to look at the latest COVID data and what might be needed. He said he'd like to see Congress continue to fund public education efforts and new vaccine research.
I'm wondering whether there are alternative vaccines that can be developed that would be more durable, because you want a vaccine that's both effective, and our current vaccines are, but that's also durable, so you don't have to keep getting boosters.
An updated COVID vaccine is expected to be available as early as next week. And with existing tests and treatments that are effective with the latest variant, the White House says they are prepared for an increase in cases.
Because of the work that this administration has done with the leadership of this president, we have been able to put together a comprehensive way to deal with this pandemic, to deal with COVID-19, and we have put forth multiple tools to do that.
President Biden said he plans to ask Congress for additional funding to develop new vaccines and to continue tracking the virus.